Imagine a computer that can draw pictures, write stories, make music, and even talk like a human. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is real. This is called generative AI. And today we're going to learn how AI evolved from simple rule-based machines to a powerful AI like generative AI. Artificial intelligence or AI is when machines are trained to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. For example, face unlocks in phone, YouTube recommendations, Google Maps, and voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. These are all examples of AI. But AI was not as smart always. AI has evolved over the years. So let's travel back in time. In the beginning, AI was called rule-based AI. This meant that AI had to follow strict rules made by the humans. For example, if temperature is more than 30 degrees, turn on fan. If chest move possible, move peace. And if password is correct, log in. But this solved simple problems like chess games and calculations. But it failed in real life situations because this world has too many possibilities. The computer was not thinking, it was just following rules. Rule-based AI was just like a student who only memorized rules. Then came machine learning. Instead of programming every single rule, we gave computers lots of data and then the computer learned patterns from the data. For example, if we gave computers lots of images of cats and dogs, the computer will eventually learn the difference between a cat and a dog. This was a huge breakthrough because now computers could learn from data instead of programming every single rule in them. And machine learning was just like a student. You didn't memorize any rules but learned from examples. After machine learning came deep learning. Deep learning uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. It had many layers like the input layer, then some hidden layers, and then the output layer. Deep learning made possible face recognition, speech recognition, Netflix recommendations, Google Translate, and many more things. Deep learning can understand audio, images, and language. Now we come to generative AI. This is the most powerful AI today. Old AI recognizes things. Generative AI makes new things. It can write stories, it can make music, it can write code, it can generate images and even talk like a human. It is trained on huge amount of data and then it learns patterns from the data and creates new things that never existed before. Now, let's do a quick summary of the evolution of AI with a proper timeline of years. At the start was rule-based AI from 1950 to 1980s. Then came machine learning from 1980s to 2000s. Then in the 2010s came deep learning. And now in the present time is generative AI. Let's see what they all do. Rule-based AI followed rules. Machine learning learned patterns. Deep learning understands patterns. And generative AI creates new patterns. So if you understand something new about AI in this video, subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.